I love to speak to an audience, for here I live my dream. There's something so special about these moments. I'm inspired by the challenge to command a listening ear, the interaction with another, and the eye contact that swells my adrenaline. The freedom that comes with words that emerge naturally. Call it a rush. The rhythm of you and I. A song for my audience. When in front of my audience, I am the dance, and my audience my music. I am the sound of the note, and my audience the symphony. I am the conductor, and my audience the orchestra. You see, when in front of my audience, I am the soaring eagle, and my audience the stretching skies. I am a twinkling star, and my audience the vast galaxy. A singing whale, and my audience the deep blue sea. Come on, audience. Clap for me! Clap for me!
Eso you my hero!
Thank you. Ain't nothing as beautiful as a standing ovation. But the story continues. The song for my audience continues. When in front of my audience, I am the crackling lightning, and my audience, the rumble of my thunder. I am the young cadre on the front line, and my audience, the emotions of my struggle. I am the beauty of a song at dawn, and my audience, the true meaning of my freedom. Together we create the completeness of diversity. Mine part is to sing in one clear voice of unity. I'm just a player in search of a dream, and my audience, the wider stage of society. When in front of my audience, I am truly defined as us. Thank you. Thank you.